Okay, so here's an example we can have a crack at. And I've just copied the formula for rotation around the y-axis down here. So let's have a look at the shape that we're dealing with. So it's a parabola. So let's just have a quick sketch of the shape. So it's a parabola that starts at 5, and we're trying to find the area between 1 and 3. So we're trying to find this area here, rotated around the y-axis. Okay, now the problem that I talked about earlier, which we've got with this method, is the method of thin disks, is we can only work out things that are touching the y-axis. So the only area you can actually work out is this area here. Okay, so we're trying to find this one, but we can only work out that one. So let's call that one area A, and that one area B. So I can work out area A, but I'm trying to find area B. So let's have a go at working out area A by using this method. So area A, integral from y1, which will be this point here. So if I put x equal to 1, I get y equals 6. Up to this point here, so if x equals 3, 9 and 5 is 14. Pi is still at the front, and instead of x squared, I can write y minus 5 dy. And now I can go ahead and actually do that integration. So I get pi 1/2 y squared minus 5y from 6 to 14, which is pi, 14 squared is 196, half of that will be 98, minus 70, and then I'm going to have minus 36, half of 36 is 18, minus 30, which is, what have I got here, 28 minus negative 12 is 40, so that gives me 40 pi. Okay, so my volume for A will be 40 pi. I'm not interested in A, I'm interested in B. So what's my volume for B? Well, my volume, let's look at that diagram, my volume for B is that whole big area around there, which will be, given that was 14, is pi r squared, so that'll be 3 squared is 9, times 14, which is 126. So it's 126 pi, minus my volume A, minus this piece in here, which I'll call volume C, which will be that square piece starting at 6. So what have I got? I've got 126 pi minus my A volume, which I've worked out to be 40 pi, minus this little piece in here, which will be 1 squared is still 1 times 6 pi, which will give me 80 pi altogether. Okay, so the volume for this piece in here, B, is 80 pi. Okay, so the actual integration was really, really easy, but the mucking around trying to figure out which bit I actually wanted can be a little bit trickier, and there is another way of dealing with that, which we'll come to shortly.